Oh yeah. Yo, what's up everybody? Yeah, you know where we're at. Back in the garage here with Brzezicki Brothers Performance. And we buttoned up the whipple install. We got it all installed. There's a couple things that I didn't like about it, but it is what it is. So let's get right to what we're getting into. So we got the whipple installed. It's running. We just got a bass tune on it. When the roads clear up, we'll be able to take it for a ride to data log it and send it out for another tune from Palm Beach Dyno. They're great with these cars, and that's who we got tuning it. So the whipple kit's installed. I had to do some things. This gasket for the top, it just doesn't like to stay on. It's pretty crammed in here. I had to use some spacers to space this coolant reservoir up because it was hitting the fuel pressure regulator. Now I seen on the forums somebody's supposed to have a bracket and they might start making them, so we'll probably get that for to move the fuel pressure regulator and have more room. But it's looking good so far. Cram packed over here. You see we got the strut tower brace back on. And coil covers give it a little contrast with the paint job I did on the lettering. All that black in there. Darkness. So right now, you've seen it in the background. And yes, the CMS roll bar is about to get installed. And it's almost, if not, an exact color match. It's pretty close. Pretty close to it. So it comes with the rear seat delete. And the pieces, a couple pieces right there. The hardware, instructions. We'll eventually have to cut some holes. So we got it marked. Basically already installed it, pretty much. So it will go to these rear seat bolts and the ones over there. So you can see we got it marked. We got it marked here. You can see down there, we got it marked over there on the insides of each side also. But it's marked up. Now we got to start drilling. Gave us this drill bit. Heard a couple people had a hard time getting through with drill bits with this hard metal, so we're about to see here in a second. But this roll bar is looking pretty sweet. So this is the next job, next task that we got going on here in the shop. This thing's pretty sweet. So yeah, stay tuned. Keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. We're gonna get back to drilling some holes and get this installed. So the next video, you'll probably see it all installed, everything all buttoned up, and we'll get some better lighting, maybe have the car outside running, go through a couple things, and give you some more videos. So till then, peace.